Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we will cover 3 different radical equation. So stay connect with us till end. Question 1. The given equation is under radical x plus 9 equals 5. Let's solve step by step. Step 1. Square both sides. To eliminate the square root, square both sides. Under radical x plus 9 squared equals 5 squared. Cancel out the sign radical by square. We get x plus 9 equals 25. Step 2. Solve for x now. Subtract 9 from both sides like this. X plus 9 to 9 equals 25 to 9 we get x equals 16. Final answer. X equals 16. Question 2. We have a equation. Under radical 7x5 equals 4. Let's solve step by step. Step 1. Square both sides to remove the square root or radical sign. Under radical 7x5 squared equals 4 squared. Cancel out the sign radical by square. We get 7x5 equals 16. Step 2. Isolate the constant and variable terms. 7x equals 16 plus 5. 7x equals 21. Step 3. Solve for the x now. X equals 21 by 7 we get x equals 3. Final answer. X equals 3. Last question 3. Equation for question 3 is radical sign 5x8 equals radical sign 2x plus 4. Let's solve step by step. Step 1. Square both sides to remove the radical sign. Under radical 5x8 squared equals under radical 2x plus 4 squared. Cancel out the sign radical by square we get 5x8 equals 2x plus 4. Step 2. Move all the like terms with to one side we get 5x 2x equals 4 plus 8. 3x equals 12. Step 3. Solve for the x. X equals 12 by 3. X equals 4. Final answers is x equals 4. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye for now. See you in next video.